Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide on how to set up two-step verification on Pinterest, updated for 2025. If you want to keep your Pinterest account safe from unauthorized access, enabling this security feature is a must. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the gear icon or the word Settings. Tap on it. This will take you to the main settings menu, where you can manage everything about your Pinterest experience. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Security. This is where Pinterest keeps all the tools to help protect your account. Tap on Security to open up your security options. Next, you'll see an option called Two-Factor Authentication. This is the feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Tap on it, and Pinterest will guide you through the setup process. You'll likely be asked to confirm your password for security reasons, so have that ready. Follow the prompts on your screen. Pinterest may ask you to enter your phone number if you haven't already added one. Once you provide your number, you'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter the code in the app to confirm your phone number. After confirming, two-step verification will be activated. From now on, every time you log into Pinterest from a new device, you'll need to enter both your password and a code sent to your phone. This makes it much harder for anyone else to access your account, even if they know your password. That's it. You've just added an important layer of security to your Pinterest account. Remember, keeping your account secure is always worth the few extra minutes it takes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on keeping your digital life safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and stay protected online.